Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. Here you can see it. So it's error with iTunes, error 127. So how we can fix it? First you need to go to search tab, and from search tab you just need to enter control. So choose here control panel. Here you need to find programs and features. Just click on it, and here you need to find your iTunes. So after you find here iTunes, just right click on it and choose uninstall. So after you uninstall your iTunes, you need to find second it's Apple software. It will be program here on the up of this list, and everything Apple mobile, I thought so. So everything with which was installed with iTunes, you need to uninstall, and after you uninstall it, so you just go to Google and just write in Google iTunes, and so the best way will be if you restart your computer after you uninstall it, and after you uninstall and restart your computer, you go to iTunes and download the latest version from Microsoft Store and just install it to your computer. So also when I had this problem, this error, it was fixed by this way. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.